Today I'm going to walk you through my full experience with RedTrack, an ad tracking and affiliate attribution platform designed for marketers, media buyers, and affiliates looking for accurate campaign insights. As someone who's actively used this tool for campaign tracking across multiple traffic sources, I want to give you a real-world perspective, nothing sugar-coated. RedTrack claims to offer a cookieless tracking system, centralized data for multi-channel campaigns, and precise attribution reporting. When you first log into RedTrack, the dashboard is quite minimal, but not necessarily intuitive. There's a bit of a learning curve, especially for new users or those switching over from other platforms like Volume or ClickMagick. However, once you get used to the structure, the UI does get easier to navigate. Setting up a new campaign requires multiple inputs, traffic sources, offers, landing pages, all of which must be configured before you can run a test. This ensures you have solid tracking in place, but it can be overwhelming at first. One thing I appreciated is that RedTrack integrates with a variety of traffic sources like Facebook, Google Ads, TikTok, and native platforms. It also supports affiliate networks out of the box. The reporting feature is robust, but sometimes slow to load if you're pulling larger date ranges. You can create custom reports, analyze ROI, and track conversions in real time, which is great. However, the filtering system could be more intuitive. Setting up conversion tracking was relatively straightforward using either postbacks or pixels, and I didn't encounter major issues there. Many useful links you can find in the description. Now, let's talk about reliability. RedTrack generally provides stable tracking performance, but I did encounter occasional discrepancies between reported clicks and what some networks showed on their end. While minor, this can be frustrating when you're optimizing for ROI. Their support team is helpful, but response times vary. Sometimes it's quick, other times it takes hours to hear back. The pricing model is tiered based on volume, which means it can get expensive as your campaigns scale. On the flip side, you're getting access to features like traffic distribution AI, bot filtering, and white label reporting, which are invaluable for agencies. Still, I think there should be more flexibility for small or solo marketers, as the entry price is not cheap. One major plus is the ability to track everything in a GDPR and CCPA-compliant way. RedTrack doesn't rely on cookies, which is critical in today's ad landscape. The automation tools are also helpful, letting you pause underperforming campaigns or redirect traffic based on performance thresholds. If you're serious about tracking and optimizing your affiliate campaigns or paid ads, RedTrack can be a solid investment. Just be prepared for a bit of a learning phase and make sure the cost aligns with your business size. It's not a beginner tool, but for experienced marketers, the depth it offers is impressive. If this review helped you make a decision or saved you time, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment with your experience, and hit the subscribe button for more honest reviews like this one.